Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to get the data ready for analysis for assignment 6 using R Commander. This assignment is exercise 4.7 that is shown starting on page 137 of the textbook. So the first thing we'll do is get the data from the course website. Go to the course website and download the UN life expectancy comma separated value file and maybe put it on your desktop. I had already done this, so next we'll open this file and then I would like to save it as an Excel file. So there's the file I downloaded from the course website. I'll open it. And you'll notice immediately that there are a lot of missing values. So if you try to load this into R Commander as a comma separated value, I found out anyway that all these missing values lead to some problems. It messes up the data a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to save it as an Excel file. So go Save As, and under actually let's save it as a 97 through 2000. Not a template. Here it is. Let's save it as a 97 through 2003 workbook. Let's save it on the desktop. I'll close this, and there it is. Now we'll open up R, and I want to open up R Commander. So I say Library R Commander, and it is opening R Commander. Here we go. Now I want to load in that Excel file into R Commander, data, import data from Excel. And we can call the file maybe UN Life, press OK, and then the file is on the desktop, right there it is, open. And then down here it says we have 185 rows and 15 columns. If you want to, you can take a look at the data set, make sure it came in okay. It seemed to be okay. Lots of variables. We won't be using most of these variables, so we can get rid of some of them. I'll show you how to do that. Okay, next we are going to create a new variable, natural log of health. That's actually the log of the variable, the natural log of the variable private health. Okay, go back to R Commander. Let's go Data, Manage Variables and Active Data Set, Compute New Variable. The new variable is LNHELTH, and it will be the log of, and then find private health in parentheses. Press OK. Okay, it says we have another column, so it must have created it, and again we could look at it and verify it, but I'm sure it's fine. And the next thing we'll do is let's remove any missing data out of the variables that we'll be using. So it says in R Commander we can go to Data, Active Data Set, Remove Cases with Missing Data. Okay, let's go back to R Commander, go Data, Active Data Set, Remove Cases with Missing Data. Okay, I don't want to include all variables, so if I uncheck this, it will only keep the variables that I want. So let's keep country. That tells us which country we're talking about. Press on the Control key, fertility. Go down. I need life expectancy, the response. There's that natural log of health. Keep going. Public education is another variable we need, and region, and that's it. Let's give this new data set a name. Let's call it UN Life Reduced. Press OK. And now it says we have 152 rows and 6 columns of data. Let's take a look at it. Okay, here's the country name, fertility as a potential predictor, Here's our response, life expectancy in years, and then natural log of health, public education, and region. Region is a categorical variable, a nominal variable, so these numbers don't have any numerical meaning, and we will have to do something about that if we want to use region in a regression. Okay, let's X this out and go back to my Word document. Let's create binary variables out of that nominal categorical variable region. So this is a little bit tricky. I have 8 regions, and you can see the region names as listed on page 137. Region number 1, for example, are the Arab state countries. Region 2 is East Asia and the Pacific countries. Okay, so we have 8 regions. And I need to create a binary variable for each of them, and then use any 7 of the regions in a regression will tell me about all 8 regions. Okay, so it says go in our commander, go to data, manage variables, and active data set, compute new variable. Okay. Our commander, data, active data set, manage variables and activate data set, compute new variable, and I want region, and then the new variable name. I'm not doing that right. Okay, sorry, I grabbed the wrong. Let's go back here. Manage variables, active data set, compute new variable window. I guess that was right. Sorry. Data. Manage variables and active data set. Compute new variable. And I want to do it out of region. And I'm going to make region 1. I'll just call it region 1. I guess I could also call it Arab, maybe. But we'll just have to remember the coding. Okay, then the formula says 1 star parentheses region. This is weird, but okay, so it's going to make a binary variable out of region for all those that are coded 1. Press OK. And now I can do this 7 more times, or see the script right here. I can just quickly modify the script, which I think I'll do. So now I want to do region 2. Change this to 2, highlight the script, press submit, and then do it for region 3. Change that to 3, highlight the script, submit, region 4. This seems a little bit faster. Region 5. Seems like there should be an easier way, but I don't know how to do it in R. I can do this easier in Excel. Region 7, we're almost there. Submit, and the last region, 8. 8. Okay, press submit. Okay, now let's take a look at our data. Hopefully this worked. So back in our commander, click on the View Data Set tab, and there's our data, and I want to scroll over, and yes, it created binary variables out of the region categorical variable, and now I can use any 7 of these as predictors. And in fact, in part 4.7c, you are supposed to fit a regression model using only region, but that means actually using 7 of these binaries, and I suggest leaving out region 1 as the base category, the base binary to which the other categories are being compared. Okay, that's it for this introductory video to our Commander solutions for assignment 1, just getting the data ready to analyze.